Right, today we're going to look at how to make a graph with junior viewpoints. Now this is the database we've looked at a couple of times before of our Top Trumps toy database. There's the list of all of the items in the database. In order to graph, we need to click on the graph tool, and then we're going to choose what field we're going to graph. Now for those of you who have done lots of work on graphs, X is on this edge of a graph along the horizontal, and the y-axis is along the vertical, which goes along here. And we're going to set something on the x-axis, which is the horizontal, and we're going to choose to graph the Hall of Fame results. Now we've got a couple of different options there. Some of these you'll be familiar with, some of them you won't, but we're just going to quickly look at bar and click plot. And so now this is my database. It's got title and this is frequency. So this is showing, in fact, can anyone tell me what it's showing? This is showing how often the field of Hall of Fame comes up. So for 8 comes 8 times. So the most popular Hall of Fame result is 8. The least popular Hall of Fame result is 5. Now you can go and look at different types of graphs. So if I clicked on pi and plot it, it would give me a slightly different graph, and it would still show me the largest segment is the most popular, the smallest segment is the least popular. If I chose to graph some other fields, it sometimes doesn't give you as interesting a response. So, for example, if I click year of release and I plot this, now this only gives all the years of release down the bottom, but lots of them only appear in 1 year. So there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 years where a toy is released in this database. There's 2 a year, so it doesn't really tell us very much. So when you're looking at your own databases, you might need to choose a few different fields to get a graph that actually shows you something interesting.